afternoon, everybody. So today we are going to make soup stock. So after a turkey dinner, you're trying to wonder, what am I going to do with the carcass? Well, that's really easy. You're going to make stock with it. So here you got yourself a really big stock pot. Really, that's all you need is a turkey carcass or a chicken carcass, whatever you have. Big stock pot and about 2 hours of time. And there you go. You're going to make yourself chicken or turkey stock for homemade soups. So we're going to get into what kind of spices and everything I put in there. So first thing you're going to do is go ahead and grab your carcass and dump it on in there. Next, the main thing that I like to add is dried onions. Go ahead and add quite a bit in there. Again, this is all for flavor. Then I'm going to add some garlic plus. Quite a bit. For a little bit of spice, let's add some Montreal steak spice. Good enough. And then just a little bit of fresh ground pepper and fresh ground salt. That's about enough. And then you're going to want to go ahead and fill your stock pot probably 3/4 of the way with cold or hot water, Put it on your stove, bring it to a boil, and then reduce and let simmer for probably 2 hours or until you're satisfied that you have all the flavor out of the bones. And there you go, you have yourself stock. And there you go, you can see all the bones and all the skin and carcass and everything floating around in there. I added a little bit more onion. Like I said, I'm about 3/4 of the way full and got the stove set to high. And we'll give this a good 2 hours to boil and simmer. And there you go, once you're done, you'll want to strain off all the bones and everything, so just put it through a strainer, and you're going to be left with pure turkey stock. And there you go, after about 2 hours of boiling steadily, you got that nice layer of grease on top. All the flavors have come out of these bones. So now we're going to go ahead and strain this off, and you got yourself turkey broth.